Now I have a lot of these containers out on my patio, but the problem is I'm stuck watering them every day.
But Danny, you can't have your cake and eat it too. They do require a little bit of maintenance, but I'm going to give you just a few little tricks of the trade that might cut down on some of the watering. The first one is you can take a plant like this and get maybe a little bit of peat moss and layer it into a larger pot. And then just double up on those pots, because what that's going to do is it's going to reduce the evaporation that happens, and that will help the plant. Another thing you can do is group them very tightly together, all your pots, because they'll help to shade each other out. And if you can even find a spot where you've actually got some natural shade, that cuts down on your water straight away.
Now what about the containers you use? I know this is kind of a plastic material instead of the regular terracotta type.
Well, all of these plastic pots have become so popular. They have some beautiful ones out there, and they're just a win-win situation. They don't wick the water away from the plant, and if you live in a place where you get frost, they're going to be just fine right straight through the wintertime.
Okay, all right. What about some other tips?
Well, the one thing I just want to tell you for sure is that when you've got plants in containers, you've got to water them twice, every time you water them. First time you water them, the soil is just expanding, and it's not going to get all the way down through the whole pot or through all the roots. So just give it a second pass every time you do it, and they will thank you for it.